Our YouTube watchers, here we have this Hunter tuerk ceiling fan. This fan has another custom one done by frey. The windings have been rewound in there. And I got all this ornate detailing from him. It was in a church in Texas. My friend Matthew picked it up for me. It's got real wood blades. Here's the top of it. Connecting leads. Tag is still there. Try how you can read it. And it's pretty good, and it runs. We'll be doing some TLC to this thing. Probably gonna give it wingtip blades, new blade arms. Take the whole thing apart and clean it really good. Let's go ahead and start off on low though. Gotta kind of find low on this one because it's around there. Around there. Which is pretty high up there. Let's go ahead and go a little bit fast, go to medium. Around there. Let's go ahead and go to high. Sorry for the darker nature of this video. Fortunately, I'm working longer shifts than between college, and the best I can do for today. As you can hear, it's a very good amount of air. It needs to be balanced a little bit. Very strong runner, very good fan. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. This is one of 4 fans Matthew got from the church. There's also an antique R&M, Westinghouse, an R36, and a China Hunter that's basically all rusted and for parts basically. So I was happy he gave me this one. Didn't really give it to me, he traded me for Casablanca he wanted, so there we go. Thanks for watching.